guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today I'm going to share with you guys a skincare product that I have been using for the month of May. Although I didn't include this in my May favorites because kasi gusto ko, tested ko talaga siya before doing a video about it, so like that. So dito niyo makikita kung ano ang mga nangyayari sa skin ko and how I do it, and I will be introducing to you guys to the Blaque or the Blaque. The activated carbon siya na your skin bestie sabi dito, and it claims to be teeth whitener, acne treatment, detoxifies and eliminate toxins. So as you all know guys na ang mga charcoal ngayon ginagawa na siya or minimix na siya sa mga beauty products and all that is. Meron siyang mga facial wash, mga toothpaste, toothbrush like that, shampoo na may mga activated charcoal na claims nila, but this one is really an activated charcoal na organic pa siya kasi hindi pa siya dumadaan sa anuman na factories or ano tawag ito, mga laboratory like that, something like that. So yun guys, sinend to sa akin for me to review. So ginamit ko siya for a month and ang dami talagang nangyari sa skin ko na talagang na-purify yung skin ko. For my previous videos, nakita nyo naman siguro kung how my skin looks like. Kasi diba, sobrang dami ko talagang kanyawat dito noon. And now, yung mga makikita nyo ngayon is just the remains or the dark spots na lang na nakikita nyo. So, let's go to the video where I will show you how I do this and how I apply and paano nyo siya magagamit. So, yeah, let's head on to the video. On a plain bowl, put at least 1/2 tablespoon of the activated charcoal and add at least 1/4 tablespoon of water or more until you achieve that paste-like mixture. To apply the mixture, use a flat foundation or concealer brush, but in my case, I'm just using my fingers because I want to thoroughly apply the mixture on my skin. I focused more on my nose, cheeks, and on the corners of my nose because that's where you can find all the secrets. And of course, because those are the parts where I get most of my pimples. After 15 minutes, the charcoal mask is already dry, and as you can observe, the mask looks like a flaky powder when it dries up, and some of the products fall off as they dry. Hey guys, so this is already the result of the after 15 minutes na charcoal mask natin. So minix lang natin siya with water. So as you can see right now, parang ano talaga siya. Yung feeling, hindi kasi siya nakikita na ganun kabilis yung effect. You really need to do things. That's why, nireview ko lang siya. Gumawa lang ko ng review na video after a month, mahigit. Kasi talagang ginamit ko muna siya. And I will just put a before and after picture or video like that. Kasi, sa mga previous videos ko, kita-kita talaga yung mga pimples ko. Right now, dry na talaga sila. Wala. As in, wala. Mga marks na lang yan, yung mga nakikita nyo yan. So, yung charcoal talaga, it really did great on my skin. Ginagamit ko siya once a week kapag yung mask, and yung pangalawa is another DIY na ipapakita ko sa inyo sa susunod na video ko kung paano ko siya ginagamit yung charcoal na product na yan. So, for the overall review ko sa product na to, the performance is really great. The quality ng powder niya is really good kasi pwede mo rin siyang gamitin for scrub. Hindi siya yung ganun kapulpos para matunaw siya at hindi mo na feel sa mukha mo pag nilagay mo. So, the quality is good for me. I'll give it 4/5. And the packaging is really great. You can see the packaging na ano siya. Very cute lang siya. Hindi siya yung ano, pwede mo din siyang gamitin or dalhin sa travel mo kasi naka-ano lang siya, parang ziplock siya na black, like that. So, hindi siya breakable, hindi rin siya very bulky. So, you can just put, actually, pwede mo din siyang ilagay sa purse mo kapag, you know, feel mo mask kapag mag-weekend ka. So, yeah. The price, I will just put the price here kung magkano siya. And it is widely available. Nationwide siya kasi online siya na nabibili. TheBlack.Ph siya, the KNR, TheBlack.Ph. Sinend to sa akin for me to review. Ayun. Really great talaga. So, you can order from them and I will just put their link down below for those of you who are interested to buy this product. And yeah, I hope we will all get back to the original skincare routine kasi ano siya, very organic lang talaga. And after this video, watch out for more videos na gagawin ko regarding this product kasi ang dami talaga niyang magagawang product. Maybe masa-surprise kayo na pwede palang gamitin sa mga iba't ibang parts pa ng katawan natin. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you again on my next video, and if you have Facebook and Instagram, please follow me at JoyOfMia. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
And you don't have to love me.